Ladies and gentlemen, Geeking here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is down about 0.19% there. On the S&P 0.07% positive, semiconductor 1.2 negative. Dow Russell 2000 transfer banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market, every single sectors are seemingly red today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver miners are flat, oil up, dollar up, down, oil down, treasury bond down. The rates are flat. VIX is a little bit positive there. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we close. This is where we close yesterday or Friday. And it looks like some fluctuation on the first hour. As you can see, long upward wicks here on that first hour. And we did continue to march higher on the second hour, third hour. But it looks like on the fourth hour and fifth hour and sixth hour, we did see a pullback there. As I tweeted out earlier this afternoon, that the oscillator hitting that overbought zone. And looks like we came down to retest that micro-term moving average, as you can see right here. And this is a level where we slowed down. This is not a mistake. This is not a coincidence. And this is not a random occurrence. When the market did come down, we did stop right on that micro-term moving average, which it did act as support here. And looks to be, it is acting as support for now. So I'm looking at this, I think, obviously, sentiment is bullish, right? The sentiment is bullish. We're retesting the micro-term moving average. Bears love to gap it down below the micro-term. They've been doing that in the last several occasions here. As you can see, this is the only time right here, last Thursday or so, that we didn't see a gap down below the micro-term here. Over here, I think if we do see a down gap, or at least we see continuation to the downside, I could see 424.57 getting retested one more time. And if I extend this a little bit, this is a vicinity where the rising resistance is residing right now. So there's a gap area, right? And then a rising resistance in that vicinity. So this is a level that bulls want to protect, right? That this gap is the gap that bulls want to protect and want to make sure that, I mean, if some of it gets filled, I think it's still bullish. Bulls just want to make sure that not the entirety of this up gap is filled. As long as they do that, I think there's a good chance that bulls can keep the momentum, get momentum there. Let's check out that oscillator. And so, as you can see, a very similar scenario as far as that oscillator is concerned there. There, it also looks similar where it sort of moves sideways here. That oscillator moves sideways for a couple of days or so. Bulls really squeezed just few more upticks there, as you can see. But finally, it looks like just right here, it was rolling over right there. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. I think the sentiment is a bit different though versus here. Remember, we talked about the fact that when this was happening, that 420 island down gap, the Boss Bears Command Center was still in operation. Well, today, the island down gap is filled. Boss Bears Command Center has been dismantled. Perfect. And so I wonder the impact of this, oscillator reversal. I wonder if that's gonna play out similar to what we've seen middle of May or so. But I think if the bulls manage to find a move to the upside, I think that micro-term could continue to provide support, understanding the fact that we found support here, and this could be potentially a support. And if you are looking for the support, if you're looking for a bounce here, you do want to make sure at least first 2 hours market needs to stay above this micro-term. But if we see any kind of down gap, I'm pretty sure, unless it gets filled right away, but if we do see any kind of down gap, pretty sure 424.57 is in the cards. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situ. Asian injury. Evening, go train tomorrow.